Good evening, everybody. Welcome. Hope all of you are able to see and hear me. If I can get some quick comments. Okay. So I'm going to start this session. This is a part of the Spark Academy's YouTube series where daily we'll be taking up one topic and we'll be discussing the important aspects of it. Today we are going to talk about trigonometry. I will be showing you some tips and tricks to solve trigonometry questions up to transformations. That is the agenda of today's session. So this is a part of our EAMCET JEE and NEET daily live classes series. So in this we'll be having daily live sessions. In these sessions we'll be discussing important tricks, concepts and we'll be clarifying doubts. And you can also download the entire PDFs, class notes in our app. And admissions are now open for short-term crash course as well as regular. These are scheduled basically Monday to Thursday. We'll be having the sessions from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Today you'll be having bio is going on, maths simultaneously, physics and chemistry. Same Monday and Tuesday you have English classes, and Wednesday and Thursday you will be having your Telugu only classes. So we want you to avail these sessions so that you all are comfortable with the concepts, and for any admission purpose or anything you can contact the numbers given below, and we'll try to make these sessions as interesting as possible for you, for your benefit. So let's get started. So today we'll be talking about trigonometry up to transformation. As I told you, I'm Yashasvi Santosh. I'm one of the directors of Spark Academy, and I take up maths classes. So I'll be helping you with JEE mains as well as EAMCET maths. Now we'll talk about the session plan and weightage. So today I'm going to talk about trigonometry up to transformations. We'll do it in two parts. So generally trigonometry up to transformations, JEE you can expect one question from this, and for EAMCET point of view you can expect 2 to 3 questions minimum from this. So this is a very important chapter, and we are going to discuss the same in this. So in this session we'll also be talking about few very important shortcut tricks. So these shortcut tricks will help you solve the questions easily, and I've also given you a couple of homework questions. So you are expected to solve that using the methods which we learned today. Now talking about the concepts, we'll be learning basic trigonometry formulas, basic trigonometry concepts we'll be using. I'm not getting into more detail, so basically you just need to know that trigonometry means it's a right angle triangle, and if this is a right angle and this is the reference angle, this is called the opposite side, this is called the adjacent side, this is called the hypotenuse. So we know sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is sine by cos, so opposite by adjacent. So like that you have reverse of sine, which is cosecant theta, reverse of cos, which is secant theta. So this is more or less the fundamentals of trigonometry, which I hope all of you know. So I'm not getting into more detail about this, but this is about the fundamental concepts of trigonometry. Now after this we are also going to see the standard table. So between 0 to 360 degrees. All the standard angles are given in this table, and I'm expecting all of you to know these values by heart, because in the shortcut method tricks, we'll be discussing about, we'll be using these values. So we all know that sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, sin 30 is half, whereas cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 45, cos 45, both of them are same, 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Sin 180 is 0, cos 180 is minus 1. Sin 270 is minus 1, cos 270 is 0. Sin 360 is 0 and cos 360 is 1. So these are all the standard values which we already know, and we will be using the same for the problems. Now before we get into the problems, new students, those who are not Spark Academy students, you can download our app to get some good discounts on courses, and also you can get access to our handwritten notes, study materials, previous year questions, mock tests, everything. Presently admissions are open for long term, regular as well as school tutorials. Long term is for repeater students who are appearing for the exam next year. Regular is the batch for school going or college students who will, who can attend the classes after your school and college, which is from 6 to 8 p.m. and school tutorials, which will be from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you have your friends and family. We have 3 branches where offline classes or classroom coaching is there: ECAL, Narayanguda and Medipatnam. And we also have a separate online batch for these programs. So for any admission details, you can contact 9133807172 or 8977525461. So once you download the app, this is store. So in this store, if you use the code YAS10, you get a 10% off on the courses. You can also show this coupon code if you are coming for classroom admissions as well. So all the batches have admissions have started, and you can contact these numbers for admissions. So this is how you will be having daily live sessions. So whatever sessions are happening in the classroom also, we are recording and keeping it for your benefit. This is how you can analyze your assignments as well as test paper performance. And our teaching methodology is very simple. We start with the basic concepts, then we discuss the shortcuts. We discuss all the types of models which are there, exercise questions, previous year questions, chapter-wise tests, and weekend tests, as well as grand tests and test paper analysis. Each and every chapter, every subject, we follow the same. We have a highly experienced faculty members, and it is a personalized coaching with a limited batch size. So we take only 25 to 30 in our long term as well as regular batches. So ensure that you enroll already half of the batches full, and we are expected to fill the rest of the half also by this week. And it's a process oriented coaching. As I told you, we are going to follow the same methodology as I told you, so that you're all benefited from the program. Now when we talk about the coaching program, in online, the only difference between online and classroom is online you won't get access to classroom and you won't get books. Rest of it is the same. So let's get started with our method. The method which we are going to discuss is very simple. So let's take a look at 2019 EAMCET question, and we'll try to solve this question. So if A plus B plus C is 270 degrees, then they're asking you what is cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C plus 4 times sin A plus sin B plus sin C. This is a very simple question, because whenever you are given a condition like this, these are nothing but angles. So what you have to do is assume A, B, C satisfying the equation. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. So I will give A value 90, B value 90, C value also 90 degrees. So now you need to substitute this as well. So this is how you need to do it. I hope all of you are following. Can I have some comments, please? Okay, so we are giving A value 90, B value 90, C value 90 and substitute here. So what will you get? Cos of 2 times 90 is cos 180 degrees. This is also cos 180 degrees. This is also cos 180 degrees. Plus 4 times sin 90, sin 90, sin 90. We all know that cos 180 is minus 1, so this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Sin 90 is 1, 1, 1. 4 into 1 into 1 is nothing but 4. So this is 4 minus 3. This is nothing but 1. I hope all of you are clear with this. So this is how easy this is. All you need to do is A, B, C, you have to assume, and because the condition is the sum of the angles should be 270 degrees. So if you give ABC as 90, 90, 90, that will satisfy the question, and since the question is satisfied, now we can substitute the same in the expression and get the final answer. So this is how simple it is. Assume ABC values, substitute in the question, substitute in the condition such that the condition is satisfied, substitute in the question, verify options. This is that simple. So 2019 EAMCET question, we could solve it in a couple of minutes. Now let's look at the next question. Here they are saying A plus B plus C is 60 degrees. Now you are asked to find out cos of 30 minus A, cos of 30 minus B, cos of 30 minus C plus sin of A plus B plus C. So let's do something here. Now the sum of the angles should be 60 degrees. So A plus B plus C should be 60 degrees. Can we assume angles to be 0, 0 and 60? So let's try to do that. So if we assume 0, 0, 60, cos of 30 minus 0 is cos 30, cos of 30 minus 0 is cos 30, cos of 30 minus 60 is nothing but minus 30, plus sin of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C you know is 60 degrees, so this is sin 60. Now let's check this. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Cos is an even function, so cos of minus theta will also be cos theta. So this is also root 3 by 2. And sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. So this answer will be 4 times root 3 by 2. So 2 goes 2 times. 2 root 3 should be the final answer. Now let's check the options. Let's check first option. First option they are saying 4 times. Cos 0 by 2, cos 0 is nothing but 1. This is again cos 0 by 2, cos 0 is 1. Cos 60 by 2 is cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. So this is 2 root 3. First maybe the option. Second option is eliminated because sin 0 is 0. Similarly, fourth option is also eliminated because sin 0 is 0. Now let's look at the third option. Third option, 4 times cos A by 2 is cos 0 by 2, 1. This again cos 0 by 2, 1. Sin of 60 by 2 is sin 30 degrees, which is nothing but half. 2 goes 2 times. Third option is 2, but you need answer as 2 root 3. Third option also eliminated. First option is the final answer. I hope this is clear to everybody, please. All of you, those who have joined. So all I've done is, I have assumed A, B, C values which was satisfying the initial condition, and then I have substituted in the question, I have verified the options. That is why I told you the basic table of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270 and 360 values, you have to know them by heart. If you know that, you just have to be smart, assume the values which are satisfying the condition, substitute in the question and verify the options. In this way, you need to do these questions. So this was the second question of the day. This was asked in 2020 EAMCET. This was asked in 2020 EAMCET. So let's get going to the third question without wasting any more time. A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Then sin A minus sin B plus sin C is. So, since they have given 180 degrees, I will assume 60, 60, 60, or you can also assume 90, 90, 0 as well. So, if you assume 60, 60, 60, sin 60 root 3 by 2. This is also sin 60 root 3 by 2. This is sin 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 cancel. The question should be root 3 by 2. Now let's look at the options. First option is 4 times cos A by 2, cos 60 by 2, cos 30 by 2 is root 3 by 2. Again cos 60 root 3 by 2. This is also be 30, 60 by 2, 30 root 3 by 2. 2 to 4 cancels. 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3. We need to get, we got answer as 3 root 3 here, which is not possible. Let's take second option. 4 times sin of 60 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Sin of 60 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Cos of 60 by 2 is root 3 by 2. 2 to 4 cancels. We are getting answer root 3 by 2. Maybe let's look at fourth option. Sin A by 2 means sin 60 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Cos B by 2 cos this is 1 root 3 by 2, and this is again 1 by 2. So this is root 3 by 8, which is again not possible because the answer we got was root 3 by 2. And let's look at fourth option now. 4 times sin A by 2. So sin 60 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2. This is cos 60 by 2 root 3 by 2, and sin 60 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2 again. 2 to 4 cancel. Again we are getting root 3 by 2. So still we did not get the answer when we assumed A is 60, B 60 and C 60. So let's change up the values and take 90, 90, 0. Sin 91, sin 91, sin 0, 0. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. Let's check which option we are getting 0. Second option is 4 times sin 90 by 2 sin 45 is 1 by root 2. This again sin 90 by 2 sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. Root 2 is 2 goes 2 times. Answer here you are getting it as 2. But we need answer as 0. So second is eliminated. Fourth is the answer because 4 times sin 90 by 2 sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 90 by 2 cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 0 is nothing but 0. 0 multiplied by anything is a big 0 again. So fourth option is the answer. So like this, if you take different sets of values, you can take any set which are known to us and substitute in the question and verify options, you will be able to get the answers easily. Is that clear, everybody, please? All of you? I hope all of you have understood this as well now. Let's do a couple of more questions, and then I'll give you some homework questions as well. The next question is, if sin x plus sin y is p, cos x plus cos y is q, then secant of x plus y is. Again, there are two angles given, x and y here. So let's just assume x value 90 degrees, y value 0 degrees. Let's do that and see. Sin 90 is nothing but 1. Sin 0 is nothing but 0. So p value is 1. Let's check this out. Cos 90 is nothing but 0. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. So q value is also 1. Now they are asking you secant of x plus y. So secant of 90 plus 0 is secant 90. So secant 90 is not defined, right? Because cos 90 is 0. Reverse of 0 is nothing but infinity. So let's check which option is giving us infinity. If you substitute p and q values now in the first option, 2 into 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1, 2 cancel, answer 1, not possible. This is 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 1, 2 by 0, infinity, maybe. This is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, both cancelled, not possible. This 2 by root 2 not possible. Second option answer, straightforward and easy bliss. Super easy, super simple. This question as well. So I hope this is also clear to everybody. I'll do one final question. A plus B plus C is 2S. Then sine of S minus A, the sine of S minus B plus minus sine of C. So for this, the hint is you can take A value 60, B value 60, C value 60. That is one way of doing it. So we will get 2S value is 180 degrees and S value is 90 degrees. That is one possibility. The other possibility is you can take A 90, B 90, C value 0, this is A, B, C, S value will also be 90 again. And now you can, solve the question and verify options. So any possibility you can take like this, or you can also do 90, 45, 45 also, or 90, 60, 30 also. So basically you need to assume angles, substitute in the condition, and then satisfying the condition, then substitute in the question, verify the options. I hope this is clear to everybody. So we'll move on. So this is what I wanted to discuss in today's session. Now for all these materials and latest updates about the institute, you will be finding in our Telegram channel. The link is given here. And these are few homework questions. You can just take screenshots of this or watch this video once again. Based on the transformations methods which we have seen today, I have given 3 questions as homework. So please go through each and every one of them. And you can click on the subscribe button on our channel and click on the bell icon for all notifications. So yeah, this is a summary of the results. So for those who are interested before joining, to know our record, to know our results, the detailed results of EAMCET, NEET, JEE Mains and IPE have been given here. And this is the rank range of the students. These are the highest ranks. This is our JEE Mains results. This is our second year students who got good scores. So yeah, as I told you, we have long-term admission as well as regular admission which are open. So for any admission queries, you can contact 8977-525-461. This number is our official number, or you can WhatsApp. So thank you guys. Thanks everyone. Hope you all like the session, and in case you missed watching this session, you can always come back and watch this video. And those who missed, please ensure that you watch this video and practice. And yeah, any queries, as I told you, always you can contact our numbers 8977-525-461. On this note, I would like to thank all of you, and I'll see you again tomorrow with few more questions. Thank you guys, and take care. I'll be sharing the file in the Telegram group. Thank you.